I'm Miss Linda. I'm a Center for Gifted, and I'm here to demonstrate an experiment that will show you Newton's first law of motion. This law, sometimes referred to as the law of inertia, is best demonstrated, perhaps maybe even an example of that would be a soccer ball that lies at rest in your yard, and someone comes up and kicks that soccer ball. Newton's first law is an object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced force, or an object at rest stays at rest unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. So today I am here to show you an experiment where I'm going to demonstrate this. And I just have a glass filled up halfway with water. I am going to take this pie plate, and I like the fact that it's aluminum and it won't break if it falls on the floor. And I'm going to put that pie plate, center it on the glass, and then I'm going to put an empty paper towel roll. In honor of Earth Day, I'm using things I have around the house, recycled items, to perform this experiment. And I'm going to put that right over the center of the glass and the center of the pie plate, ideally, and then place an egg at the top. So my egg is at rest, it is centered over the glass, and I am going to demonstrate Newton's first law of motion. So first of all, I want you just for 1 second to make a hypothesis, which is an educated guess. Think to yourself, what do you think is going to happen to the egg if I hit the pie plate? I create that unbalanced force. We have the egg that is at rest. You can use a ball, you could even use a plastic egg. And you should have your parents with you if you're doing this experiment at home, because we're talking about a glass and a rag. And yes, I forgot to mention that this egg is raw. So I'm going to just hit the pie plate. I'm not going to hit the glass, and I'm not going to hit the paper towel roll or the egg. I am just going to hit the pie plate. And what do you think? Think for a second right now. What do you think is going to happen? Okay, make a hypothesis. Now, you've got that hypothesis in your mind. You have a thought of what's going to happen to the egg. I'm going to go ahead and do this on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. And our egg fell into the glass. If that was your hypothesis, then you guessed correctly. So it just came straight down. Gravity took it straight down right into the glass. But Newton's first law kept this resting until acted upon by an unbalanced force. So that's all for today. Have fun doing this experiment at home. Thank you.